Window tinting for your home or business starts with a problem you already know about. The sun is driving up your energy bill, fading your furniture, and making certain rooms almost unusable. Professional window tinting from Black Optix Tint blocks up to 99% of UV rays, cuts heat gain, and lowers your cooling costs year-round. For homeowners, that means protecting your floors, furniture, and artwork from fading while adding daytime privacy you can actually feel. For businesses, our commercial window films reduce glare for employees, protect merchandise from sun damage, and we offer security films that help deter break-ins and hold glass together on impact. Get a free residential or commercial window tinting quote from a Black Optix Tint near you. Black Optix Tint, driven by style, powered by performance.